On January the 17th, 2001, Babcock Borsig Services Gulf Piping Company, GPC, were awarded the contract for fabrication of an SYMP mooring head. Subsequently, the work on the final assembly of the SYMP jacket was also awarded to GPC in April 2001. GPC is part of Babcock Borsig Power Gulf, a subsidiary of the worldwide Babcock Borsig Power Services GmbH. By December 2002, both the jacket and the mooring head were ready for shipment. While waiting for the arrival of the barge for transportation to Nigeria, GPC continued to attach the installation aids required offshore and also assisted SBM with commissioning checks. Following the successful completion of fabrication and assembly, construction manager Bill Bateman was happy about the D-Day having come for the loadout of the mooring head and jacket.
A very satisfying project. All departments have pulled well together, and especially satisfying has been the jacket project, which was given to us by SBM, our client, on a very fast-track program. However, we've achieved it within time and within budget. And especially satisfying is the fact we've achieved here over 260,000 man-hours of work without one lost time incident at all.
Spread over 3 days, the loadout was the culmination of yet more successful planning and execution by GPC with the assistance of ALE. This represented GPC's unwavering commitment to quality and safety, in addition to its workmanship and engineering capabilities. The mooring head had to traverse a distance of approximately 390 metres to the barge and included a 90-degree turn. This was done using two 18-axle trailers located symmetrically about the lateral centre of gravity position. A further single 6-axle trailer was then positioned between the two 18 axles to compensate the eccentricity of the centre of gravity position relative to the centre of the structure. These trailers can be rigged together in various configurations and electronically linked to be levelled and steered from a single control unit. These self-propelled, remote-controlled and computer-operated transporters offer 360 degrees steering capability and a capacity of 34 tonnes gross per axle line. The mooring head and the jacket weighed about 1,000 tonnes each. The cranes you see in the background are for Maersk Pacific and are ready for shipment, destined for the port of Los Angeles. These post-Panamax-sized giants weigh about 1,300 tonnes each and tower at 89 metres. Cranes manufactured at GPC are operational in many ports worldwide. During the movement, the level of the structure was monitored and adjusted using the hydraulic suspension system of the trailer assembly. The structures were loaded out to the barge AMT carrier and, as you can see, demanded strict positional tolerances necessitated by the tight stowage of 3 structures on the barge. Now that the mooring head is safely loaded onto the barge, the crew are busy removing the trailers from the barge and taking them to the jacket for loadout preparations.
I am very happy and proud to be associated with this prestigious project for SBM Monaco to their clients Shell Nigeria, which was performed by GPC on a very fast-track basis without any quality problems. The cooperation from the SBM Monaco and site team were excellent, and we are looking forward to do many more projects for Shell Nigeria as well as SBM to other clients.
The transport and loadout arrangement for the jacket comprised 4 numbers of 4-file double-width 6-axle trailers positioned at 4 separate locations under the plate girders. The jacket was transported over a distance of 450 metres to the loadout jetty. Work was stopped overnight, as high tide was not until the following morning. Due to changes related to the loadout barge and offshore lift orientation, the jacket had to be reoriented 180 degrees using the same SP trailers. The steering capabilities of the SP trailers allowed fine alignment and set down of each structure onto the sea fastening grillage. Additional ballast pumps were used to maintain the trim of the barge and to keep the barge level with the loadout jetty during the transfer of the mooring head and the jacket. The Shell EA project was yet another job that combined GPC's effective management with its fabrication capabilities, strict quality control measures and safety practices to bring out a top quality product with over 280,000 man-hours without any lost time incidents. Needless to say, GPC has a long list of fully satisfied customers, and this is what SBM had to say on this project.
SBM is a major designer and manufacturer of FPSO systems. In this capacity, we have dealt with GPC over the last 10 years on a number of major projects. The latest major project is the Shell EA mooring head and jacket. In the capacity as a major fabricator, GPC have concluded the project in outstanding time. The quality has been excellent and the budget is maintainable. We, on behalf of SBM, Halliburton and Shell, consider this to be a major success and consider GPC to be an outstanding fabricator in their field. We are quite happy with the performance of GPC on this project, and we will continue to work with them in the future on our other major projects.